see a sign up here. I'm excited.
Animals.
Animals.
Letters.
I love animals, you guys.
Follow, follow, follow the buffalo. In my eyes I saw the great black hills. And the mighty Mississippi River swells.
Oh, gross.
Follow, follow, follow the buffalo. In my eyes I saw the great black hills. And the mighty Mississippi River swells. We'll drink horse-bar good beer and sit on your back stairs, and I'll whisper in your ear in the summer air, in the summer air. Sweat will roll down our backs and follow animal tracks to a tree in the woods and a house in the leaves. We'll see the bright baby eyes of a chickadee.
Gross.
And the sweat will roll down our backs, and we follow animal tracks to a tree in the woods and a house in the leaves. We'll see the bright baby eyes of a chickadee. Bright baby eyes of a chickadee.
You got some cavities, buddy.
Please. No. Kevin! Do it, please.
Oh, I'm going to find some peace of mind at any time. I could change any day. A beautiful change. Some low sinking clouds become reindeer while I'm standing here at the door, looking for a beautiful change. The snow is here, the light is bright. beautiful sweet, beautiful change. The snow is here, the light is bright, The snow is here, the light is bright,
Oh, give me a home where the buffalo grow, and the deer and the
Oh gosh!